Got a bit of a problem here with the handbrake of the buggy. Yeah, it's not working. Looks to me, and we're running back, that maybe we've broken a cable or the cable's come off. More than likely the cable's come off. So looking down through here, I really can't see a whole lot. So we're either going to have to take, and I'm not going to do it I don't think, take that off or get underneath and have a look. So I think what we might do is actually crawl underneath and see what's up there. Right, let's wiggle up under here. Nah, I think I'm going to have to get out and have another look. This here is the brake, so the cord's busted. Now I have to figure out how to sort of fix this. I need to think about it. Okay, let's see if we can find a whole new cable online somewhere. Looks like there are ones here. Probably most of them are going to be in the US. I do know exactly where I went when the handbrake cable broke on the buggy. So a little attachment came off it and dropped out somewhere. So I'm just going to retrace my steps. Hopefully I can find it on the ground. Okay, well that didn't go too good. Couldn't find it. I do have something in mind to be able to repair it with, so we'll give that a go. Maybe tomorrow or the next day. Okay, well it's wood cutting day today. We're going to clean up a few of the old fallen branches that are around the place and maybe tidy up around a few of the fences to stop any trees falling over them, any dead ones, if a wind comes along. So I need to fuel up the chainsaw, put some oil in it, get the tractor out, and away we go. Okay, that should do us for a couple of days. Nice little carry-all load there. Didn't take long to get either. Well, we have got a few oats coming up. Certainly nowhere near as thick as what I planted them, but at least there are a few. The crows really knocked them about, but what I'm hoping is if we get some rain over the next few days, there might be a few patches here that are quite good. They always do it. Got a steer here through the fence, so I'm gonna have to get him back in. He's knocked it down. He must have went to jump it. Looks like he's knocked the post out as well. Okay, here he comes back through. And yeah, he's made a bit of a mess there. Okay, I'll feed him, keep him through. I better go and shut this gate down here. And now he's trying to pull the stuff off the back of the ute. Okay, good deal, fella. We've had a couple of hold-ups this morning, but we're ready now to go over and run up the rows of the beans. It's a bit drizzly out there, so hopefully it doesn't get too wet before we finish it, because it's really a job that I wanted to do today. So let's go and see if we can get it done. So by running up and down the rows with the weeder, it's going to aerate it, break the soil up a bit more, and it's going to let the moisture in a bit better. We're expecting a bit of rain, that's why I really want to get it done today. So let's get back in the tractor. We've got a full tank of diesel, see how we go with it. Done. It's gone pretty good. It wasn't too sticky, but the drizzle is starting to get a bit heavier now, so I reckon we got it done in time. We have the second lot of beans here behind me, and going to run the weeder up over them today along the rows. They were put in about 3 weeks after the other ones, and they're about half the height now. So if we run the weeder up through them, aerate them, stir the soil up a little bit, it'll give them a real decent kick along.